Now, Alpha, I want make you keep this 2,000 naira for me.
I'll call you back.
If money enter my hand, I dey waste money, I dey spend money. I beg just hold this money for me, man. No spend am. That money what I give you now, me roll am for me. I beg, I want come out. I no get transport. I beg, if you give me 500 for that money.
Say man, I give money for you. Now, you don't come back again. I give you 500.
Now my money now, just keep
500.
Yeah, 500. May remain 1.5.
Your money remain 1.5 for my hand.
Just keep am for me,
1.5.
Well, I beg that money what I give you, I beg if you give me, I no get waiting to chop. Give me 1,000 naira. I beg, I make it remain 500 naira.
Take all your money, take out.
No, just give me 1,000 naira.
Your money remain 500.
No wahala. I beg, no vex. I beg, give me that 5. I won't go back my head. No get my money don't finish. I beg.
Take. Never in your life keep money from my hand again. They go.
I beg, if you help me with 200 naira so that I will feel you.
Your 2,000 naira don't complete.
Just borrow me your 200 naira.